Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be making a Hocus Pocus do-it-yourself board that will go on my door for the month of October. So, what you're going to need, order a board like this, which is clearly a reversible hanging chalkboard sign. And it includes one piece of chalk. This was on sale at Target for $1.50. It already comes with the string. And then you also could order these. These are on Amazon. Roughly, I will actually include a picture of it here. So I went ahead and spray painted these over the summer, just in different colors. Not only will you need the board, but you need the Cricut machine and you need vinyl. So we're just gonna jump right into it because I cannot wait to make this project. I have waited over a year to make this project just due to finding it at the last minute for Vlogtober last year. So I'm going to be making a Hocus Pocus do-it-yourself sign. I did have to pay $1.20 for the SVG. So if you go to Etsy and you're searching around, you will eventually pop up and find the one that you want. Pay for it, download it, upload it to your Cricut, and I'll even show you here how you're going to upload it to your Cricut so that you can easily just go in and use this product over and over and over again, such as the image. All right, so here is my Cricut machine. I'm just going to go ahead and turn it on, and I am going to open it up. All right, so I have my iPad here. I am in my files. So when you are downloading your file to your iPad, this is what it's going to look like. All of my SVGs are going to pop up here. It has downloaded right here. It's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. Basically, these are different types for different things. So this right here is the SVG that we want. How do you know that? Because when you download one, it's going to be this. You can see it here. This is like if you want to print just like the head. This is if you just want to do like the whole thing, but they fit different material. So I'm going to go to my Cricut, and the file that I need is in downloads. So what you're going to do is come down here to upload, browse your files, and then you are going to find the one that you need and just tap it. We want to upload this one because this is going to cut each individual color in the layer and color that we want. So all of this will be black, and the hair for that one will be purple, orange, and yellow. So I have my sign here. I am going to go ahead and get ready to open it. I am going to use this side. I have my mat, and I just need to grab all the colors that I need for my vinyl. So I have a purple, white, since this is black, we don't want to do black. I also have yellow and orange, and you need to save your file. So I'm saving it as Hocus Pocus. Then you're gonna go to nothing, because guess what? It's already been uploaded for you. Basically what you can do is check to make sure that this was the right file, and you'll know it's the right file if you have different pieces like it's supposed to be. All of the black is gonna be on white paper. This is orange, this is yellow, purple, etc. So now that we're at this point, I am going to go ahead and just get these out. So being that this is going on just something simple and not a t-shirt, definitely you don't need to make sure that the mirror is on, and we're just basically using the basic cut, and I will have to change my machine to say that I'm using regular vinyl. So just lay it down, and just as simple and plain like this. Go ahead and hit next, let it load up. Make sure you pair it with your accessory. right here, material set. Let's change it from light cardstock to vinyl. And look how easy that was. Now I'm just gonna get ready to load it so that we can get this project going. Go ahead and hit that button and let's get it started. Now it's time to load the next mat. So next I will be loading the orange. Alright, now we gotta load the yellow. I'm just putting on the purple, and then we'll be ready to take the vinyl apart and then transfer it using transfer tape. Okay, so I've taken the vinyl off from around the perimeter of what was cut, and here it is. I have the three sisters heads. Now I just need to peel off this and then kind of arrange it, and also open this. It has been peeled back. Here's the final outcome of this. So now I need to get my transfer tape and just transfer it along with these onto my chalkboard.
Me rompió el corazón cuando te fuiste de aquí. No sé si me está escuchando o si me está viendo a mí. Vamos a brindar 25 tequilas por ti para recordar.
So now that it is completely finished, you guys get to see the outcome of it, and I can get some of these. It's only like 2 bubbles, but it'll be fine. So what I use to seal stuff in on boards, chalkboards and stuff like that is this satin varnish. So you easily can just open it, and I just pour like a little bit because I don't know exactly how much I need. And I have a paintbrush, and I just go over it. That's gonna keep my lettering on, as well as whatever vinyl that I have. And I just, like I said, make it even, don't leave any like spots laying around. So I'll show you guys how. So basically after it dries, it's gonna look like this. The one good thing about the board is that it already has a string to where I can just easily hang it up. But I'm gonna add one more finishing touch. So from the dollar store, I got this ribbon right here. It matches the colors and everything else. So what I'm gonna do is make a creative bow, and I am going to put it on the top. So let's just make a bow. Okay, so this is the bow that I came up with because it wasn't long enough for me to do the way I needed to, so I just snipped the ends on each side and used a zipper tie to tie it together. I'm just simply going to hot glue it onto the back. So watch what it looks like on the bow. So I am simply just placing it right here like this because it's staying. Now I just need to hot glue it in the back, but I want to make it as straight as possible. So I am going to flip it over line my board up, and I will hot glue it like this, but I don't want that to get in the way, so we'll do it like this. Alright, so here is the final sign product with the bow. The hot glue has it staying on in the back. I normally don't do that, but I wanted to add this ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree on here so I can easily get ready to hang my beautiful sign up on my door. Alright, so I'm going to open up my door. And it's time to take this summer is a state of mind down for sure. Now let's go ahead and put up our new product onto the door, and this is what it's gonna look like. Thanks guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on any more Vlogtober videos.